Hi guys, today I'll tell you how to clean the kidneys of salts and stones with a delicious drink. To prepare a green cocktail you'll need 3 sprigs of celery, 1 medium apple and a glass of cold water. Cut the apple and celery into small pieces. Put all the ingredients in a blender and whisk thoroughly until smooth. Strain the prepared mess for juice. The remaining gruel can be used as a salad. Regular consumption of this cocktail contributes to the removal of salts from the kidneys and also relieve the body of the excess fluid and eliminate swelling.